If you're rolling a 2021 to 2025 Chevy Tahoe with the 5.3-liter engine, you already know that stock exhaust is way too quiet for that big V8. Time to let it breathe, rumble, and flex some attitude. Today we're checking out the best exhaust systems to wake your Tahoe up. Links to all the gear are down in the description. Now let's roll. Starting with the Flowmaster Force II. Stainless steel build, Super 40 muffler, and a tuned resonator that adds 6 horsepower and 7 pound-feet of torque. Deep tone outside, calm inside. Let's fire it up. Next up, the Corsa Sport. It's all about that no-drone tech. Their reflective sound cancellation keeps things chill in the cabin, but mean when you hit the gas. Expect up to 20% better flow and a snappier throttle. Let's make it roar. Rolling into the Gibson dual split, this setup hits hard. 15 extra horses, 20 pound-feet of torque, and a bold low growl. Twin tips, stainless steel, and almost zero drone. Crank it up. Then we've got the Gibson Dual Extreme. Black ceramic tips, baffle design, and pure muscle sound without wrecking your eardrums. Bolt-on install, lifetime warranty, all attitude. Let's hear it growl. Sliding over to the Magnaflow Street Series, you get that iconic deep rumble with no drone technology for smooth cruising. Stainless steel construction, dyno tested for performance, and tuned for that signature throaty tone. All right, hit it. Finally, the Borla S-Type, the clean, refined sound of power. premium T304 stainless, precision fit, and a tone that's pure V8 magic without the cabin drone. Backed by a 1,000,000-mile warranty, this one's the benchmark. Let's unleash it.
We've got the Yukon with the 5.3 liter V8. We'll do a cold start with the Borla exhaust.
So whether you're after a deep rumble or a full-on street roar, these systems will give your Tahoe the voice it deserves. Hit the links in the description to check them out, and don't forget to subscribe. More real-world sound tests and gear reviews are coming your way soon.